Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Now click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Then hit Delete next to Edit. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Google Passwords Autofill. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!